The world of model railway construction is presented in this 60-minute programme, packed with film, graphics, illustrations and detailed photography. This concise how to build a model railway layout, filmed over 9 months, takes the viewer on a journey through site preparation and onto layout completion. With such a vast range of products available, we take a look at track, trains and rolling stock that will help us to make informed choices that will start the planning process. We look at choosing the correct timber materials and construction methods for your baseboards. Electrical wiring is covered with practical hints and tips for the newcomer. Choosing buildings and accessories and the use of scenic materials to blend platforms and structures to the baseboard. Learn how to build a viaduct drop section complete with water effects, trees and shrubs. Every railway needs a tunnel, and here we show you step by step how to create one, utilising various scenery products that will bring the layout to life. Taking a sheet of hardboard, cut into strips, and see how to create a simple backdrop for the layout. Join us as we construct a model railway from start to finish.